how to fix Mercedes app not working. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if Mercedes application is not working properly. So without further delay, let's get started. The first thing, you have to ensure that if the application is up to date to its latest version. So to check that, open up the Play Store and search for Mercedes. Now once you have tap on the application, if you find update button I have opened, that means the application needs to be updated to its latest version. Tap on update. After the update is complete, go back and open up the application and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, now you have to clear the cache and data. For that, navigate to the application in your mobile device, tap and hold on it. Tap on app info, tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Now, clearing the cache will remove the glitches and temporary files from the application, which will help you solve your problem. Now you can close this and open up the application. And then check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem still persists, the last option is to delete the application from the device and reinstall it back from the Google Play Store. So, to delete or uninstall the application, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it, tap on app info, then tap on uninstall. Tap on OK. Once you have done that, you have completely deleted the application. Now you can open up the Play Store and then reinstall and relog in and open up the application. That's going to help you fix your problem. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.